Musuqalisiwe ke la. We don't forget i-TB. Sikufaka la. Siyavikela ke ngalo. Sivikela ukuthi ungafumani i-TB, because remember what HIV does, it attacks your immune system. So amajoni omzimba wakho mayehla izinga lentsholongwane lenyuka. Mase sifaka lo. Izinga lentsholongwane lehle, amajoni omzimba athola ithuba lokukhuphuka enyuka azela. That will keep you healthy. That will keep you undetectable. That will give you a lifelong journey with medication wow. So that life expectancy yakho mustn't be cut short because you're HIV positive. So once you are diagnosed with HIV and you don't present with symptoms with TB, and we've taken iskhohlela and we've tested for TB and you do not have TB, sila siyakhosela la. If it happens that you do now have TB, sikufaka la, which is your treatment. Remember, we beat TB. We beat TB. TB is curable. So now we're going to talk specifically about TB later 6 months. It's a curable disease. Uthatha amapilisi wakho we-TB for the full 6 months, and then ukhosela abanye endlini. So makhona umuntu endlini one-TB, it's very important ukuthi laba bahlala nalo muntu endlini or esikoleni or emsebenzini, they must also be protected against TB. So si promote lo. Sila. And then ama contacts siyawacela emakliniki ukuthi beze bazokhohlela, siba-check ukuthi bona abachaphazelekanga ku-TB. If abachaphazelekanga ku-TB, sibafaka kwisikhuselo se-TB.